Today's project is Foamsicles. To prepare our first ever attempt at Foamsicles, we used an ISI whipper, 3 grams of Xantham Gum, and about 500 milliliters of Red Jacket Orchard's strawberry apple juice. For the next trial of such, the Xantham Gum percentage will be decreased due to the consistency of the final product being a little too thick. The Xantham Gum was incorporated into the juice using an immersion blender. The reason for this is that Xantham Gum clumps easily, such as cornstarch or flour does. Once the Xantham Gum was fully incorporated, we poured the resulting mixture into an ISI whipper and charged it twice with nitrous oxide cream chargers. The resulting foam was squeezed out into 50 milliliter centrifugation tubes, and popsicle sticks were placed within. The tubes were then frozen in a vapor liquid nitrogen phase for about 20 to 25 minutes. The vapor liquid nitrogen phase is around negative 140 degrees Celsius. The extra foam was squeezed out into a loaf pan and placed into the regular freezer overnight. Now that they've been frozen, the resulting foamsicles were observed and noticed to be somewhat hollow. They were placed into a warm water bath to release the edges and then removed from the tube. The consistency of the foamsicle was somewhat that of cold styrofoam. Not the packing peanut kind, but the harder, more compressed kind that they package electronics in. The taste of the foamsicle was good. The flavor was very similar to the juice that we used to make them. As it melted though, the consistency was somewhat on the mucousy side. We assume that's due to the extra xantham gum that we did not need to add. Obviously, they fell apart as well, also. The foam loaf was also placed into a warm water bath for removal purposes and inverted onto a plate. The overall consistency of the foam loaf was very similar to the foamsicles, but contained more water crystals due to the slower freezing. It was also somewhat mucousy. The taste was a little better than the foamsicle, as flavor release was better. This was most likely due to the fact that the foamsicles were colder than the foam loaf. Thanks for watching.